Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll learn about inductors in DC circuits. Why do they behave differently in DC and AC? Let's find out in just a couple of minutes. What is an inductor? An inductor is a coil of wire. It stores energy in a magnetic field. Its job: resist sudden changes in current. Think of it like inertia in mechanics. Inductors are of several types. Air core inductors are used in high-frequency circuits, while iron core inductors are used in low-frequency power circuits. Ferrite core inductors are compact and efficient at high frequencies, and toroidal inductors reduce interference. Multilayer inductors are very small and used in mobiles. Variable inductors allow tuning, and chokes filter AC noise while passing DC. Now let's discuss inductor with DC, transient behavior. When we first connect DC to an inductor, the current does not jump instantly. The inductor creates a back EMF and the current rises slowly. This is called the transient state. It depends on L and R in the circuit. Tau equals L divided by R. Now, let's talk on steady state in DC. Once current is steady, the inductor no longer resists. It ACTs like a simple wire. No voltage drop across it, only free current flow. In the steady state with a DC supply, an inductor behaves like a short circuit. This is because after a long time the current becomes constant, so the rate of change of current, dt, is zero and no EMF is induced across the inductor. As a result, the inductor offers no resistance to DC and all the applied voltage drops across the resistor in the circuit. Thus, the current reaches a maximum constant value I equals V, R, and the inductor simply acts as a conducting wire. At the instant a DC connection, inductor resists current change. Over time, inductor allows DC to pass freely. Example: a bulb glows gradually brighter in an RL circuit with a battery. That's it. Inductors in DC are simple. They resist change at first, but later behave like plain wire. If this helped, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.